Hello, I'm Snowy, and I'm going to read chapter 10 out of my book called Snowy and Friends. Take time out. Jesus said, "Come with me, and we will go to a quiet place to be alone. There we will get some rest." I want to tell you about two of my friends on the farm. They are Tiger and Samuel, and they are cats. Tiger is a beautiful gold color with rings on his tail. He even looks a bit like a miniature tiger. He is a very friendly cat, and he will come through the window of Farmer Angus's prayer room and snuggle up to him. Samuel is a big white cat, and there are no mice or rats around the farm because Samuel and Tiger stand watch. One thing I've learned about cats is that they like to be on their own. They will come and play and chat with the rest of the farm animals, but quite soon they drift off. They go and lie down someplace warm, like on the roof of the farmhouse. I think we can learn an important lesson from Tiger and Samuel. It's fun to play and to run around, but there is a time to settle down and rest. There are a lot of things to keep ourselves busy with, like video games and watching TV, but sometimes we need to be still. We need to take a walk in the garden and listen to the birds sing, or just read a book in our room. We need to take time to rest and have peace and quiet. Even Jesus said that it was necessary to stop and rest a while. He took his disciples to a quiet place where they could rest. If it was important to Jesus, then it must be important to us too.